Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Forester hood. Before we begin, it's important to prioritize safety. First, make sure your Forester is parked on a completely level surface. Next, turn off the engine entirely to prevent any accidental starts. Finally, engage the parking brake firmly. These 3 simple steps will ensure a safe and stable environment for you to work on your vehicle. Now let's find the primary hood release. This lever is usually located inside the cabin, often on the driver's side, down by your left foot. Look for a small handle, sometimes marked with a car icon showing an open hood. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your vehicle, indicating the first latch has released. With the primary latch released, head to the front of your Subaru Forester. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand underneath the front edge of the hood, usually around the center, near the Subaru emblem or grille. You'll feel a small safety latch. On most models, you'll need to push or slide this secondary latch to the left to fully disengage it. This is a crucial safety feature. Once the safety latch is disengaged, you can gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the hood support rod, which is typically located within the engine bay or attached to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully remove this rod from its clip and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood. This will securely hold the hood open, allowing you safe access to your engine compartment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.